if any of you, like me, have had this fail, this is the media door, and the latch, which is inside, over time just fails. So it doesn't really open right now. I actually have to pull it. There you go. So this is the piece right here that I got, and I need to replace this. And it's not going to be easy because, well, it's easy once this is out, but this is what I have to play with to get it out. So I've got a pair of needle nose. I'm going to try and pinch this out. It's broken already. Okay. I took it out. Now I just got to clean it out. There's this piece in there. All right. So, obviously, this is garbage. The only way to get it out is to pulverize it. But the thing has lost its integrity. It's gone. It's just a quick video on what the part is. Harley number 760000127. There we go. Take the piece out. This is what it looks like when it's new. Little piece. I don't know if there's a top or a bottom. I don't see. So, taking a chance and putting it in one way. Okay. It appears to only go in one way. Let's see if that did it. Perfect. Like new. That cost me under $10, and that's Canadian dollars, so probably about $6 American. All done.